What's up, guys? Welcome to your 38th Android tutorial for the new Boston. Again, it's me, Travis. What we're going to do in this tutorial, or what we're going to start building in the next few tutorials, is basically an application that we can use the camera's phone, or the phone's camera, and then set that picture that we capture up to the phone's background or wallpaper of the actual phone. So it's going to be a pretty cool little application for the most part. But as always, we're going to have to set up the XML layout, and we're going to introduce a few new items within the XML layout. So we're going to say other Android XML file, and we're going to call this photo. All lowercase again. Every time you guys make an XML or anything under a resource folder, again lowercase. Hopefully you guys know that by now. And that's crazy. XML. I don't know, for some reason when I use the screen capture my computer is super slow, but what we're going to add in this tutorial is basically we're going to add two buttons, and first an image view for the most part. So that's going to kind of give us where we're going to get our image back from, and it gives you a couple default items that you can set it up to start with. See, I usually don't use the drag and drop, so I was kind of wondering what this is, but yeah, we're going to start with the icon, the default image that they give us, just for simplicity's sake. And then we're going to go in and add two buttons, one to access the phone, and actually I'm trying to think what we can do that's different. You can add an image button as well. We're going to throw one of those in there and hit OK. So as you can see, the image button kind of adds an image within there if you want, and then when you click that, we're going to take a picture, and then when we click this button, it's going to set the picture to the paper, or to the wallpaper for the most part. So I mean, nothing too new, but a little bit. So let's change the width and the height of our image view to like something like 250 dp for both the width and the height. Change our image button, let's say the width to like 125 dp. Wrap content, and then our button will say 125 as well. Now let's just change the references real quick. Image view, so IV for image view, and we're going to call this returned picture, because once our camera takes a picture, it's going to return that picture and set it as that image view. And then let's go to our image button, IB for image button, and we're going to say take picture, take pic, something like that. And lastly, just a regular button, let's say set wallpaper, and change the button text for the most part to set wallpaper as well. So nothing too new in this tutorial. As you can see, the image view is new. I guess we could probably oh, I must have set the height, so I'm going to change that real quick. You guys probably noticed that as I was doing it, and then you're like, oh, you're an idiot, Travis. And I'm like, yeah, I am. Just kidding, but there we go. Hopefully that looks a little bit better. Maybe we want to center this, so we're just going to say Android layout gravity equals centered, and just copy that code and paste it for all these other ones as well. So not too pretty there for that, but basically that should work for the most part. Yeah, that should work. So that's basically the setup for the XML, and then we're going to get into our programming in the next few tutorials and finish this up. But again, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have a good one.